Uy, good day. Sound check. That's mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check ko muna yung audio. Check monitor bago tayo mag-start. And good evening, good day to all. Let us continue our review or Master Plumber board exam. For now, we will proceed to part 3. The plumbing codes. We have 300 more questions from 301 to 600. So, equivalent to mga 12 sessions po yan. Ang gagawin natin dyan. Yun. 12 sessions pa yan. Ginagawa ko na lang para hindi masyadong madami at hindi masyadong matagal yung review per session. So, we have marami namang luxury of time para sa pag-review in preparation for February 2023 Master Plumber Board Exam. Sige po, hindi na tayo magtagal. Tuloy na natin. Yan. 301. An adequate plumbing code. Ay, may sagot na. Sorry. Adequate plumbing code is one of the most important governance in modern and healthful human existence that involves air, water, and food, which is the basic necessities for life. So the answer is plumbing code. So ano yan? Adequate plumbing code is one of the most important governance in modern and healthful human existence that involves air, water, and food, which is the basic necessities of life. Yan. Sorry, hindi ko ito na-hide. Sorry. Sige, tuloy na natin. Modern of the state-of-the-art plumbing installation now require the close coordination of the works among master plumbers, architects, and engineers. To come up with the most blank in plumbing installation. So the answer is efficient and economical. So modern of the state-of-the-art plumbing installation now require the close coordination of works among master plumbers, architects, and engineers to come up with the most efficient and economical plumbing installation. Uy, sorry. Ito siya. Yan sagot. Efficient and economical. So, 303. Yun. Walang suspense ngayon. All premises intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use shall be provided with a supply of blank and blank water, neither connected with unsafe water supplies nor subject to hazards of backflow or back siphonage. The answer is pure and wholesome. All premises intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use shall be provided with a supply of pure and wholesome water, neither connected with unsafe water supplies nor subject to hazard or backflow or back siphonage. Yun. The answer is pure and wholesome. Yan. 304. Nahin na natin. Nandiyan na kasi. Hindi na na-hide. Plumbing fixtures, devices, and appurtenances shall be supplied with water in sufficient volume and pressure adequate to enable them to function satisfactorily and without undue noise under all normal conditions of use. Background sounds muna tayo. Yan. Plumbing fixtures, devices, and appurtenances shall be supplied with water in sufficient volume and pressure adequate to enable them to function satisfactorily and without undue noise under all normal conditions of use. The answer is sufficient and adequate. 305. Plumbing. Yan. Bakit kasi hindi ko ito na ano? Sorry. 305. Plumbing shall be designed and adjusted to use the minimum quantity of water consistent with proper performance and cleaning. The answer is minimum. Plumbing shall be designed and adjusted to use the minimum quantity of water consistent with proper performance and cleaning. $306. Ito ulit, dalawa. Ayusin ko muna. Bakit ba hindi ko siya naayos? Sorry lang. Yan. 306. Devices for heating and storing water shall be so designed and installed as to prevent dangers from explosion through overheating. The answer is designed and installed. Devices for heating and storing water shall be so designed and installed as to prevent dangers from explosion through overheating. $300. $7. Tayo sa 307. Yun. Meron din hindi nakatalo. Hindi na natin i-suspend. Sorry. Next session na lang. Yan. Every building having plumbing fixtures installed are intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use on premises abutting on street, alley, or easement where is a public sewer shall be connected to the sewer system. The answer is human habitation. Every building having plumbing fixtures installed and intended for human habitation, occupancy, or use on premises abutting on street, alley, or easement where is a public sewer shall be connected to the sewer system. Okay, 308. Yun. 308, excuse me. Smooth plumbing fixtures shall be made of smooth, non-absorbent material, free from concealed fouling surface, and shall be located in ventilated enclosure. Answer is smooth, non-absorbent. Plumbing fixture shall be made of smooth, non-absorbent material, free from concealed fouling surfaces and free and shall be located in ventilated enclosure. $310.9. Ayan, hindi siya natago. So each family dwelling on premises abutting on a sewer or with a private sewage disposal system shall have at least blank and blank. Further, a lavatory and bathtub or shower shall be installed to meet the basic requirements of sanitation and personal hygiene. Sagot dito sa mga choices, may choices kasi siyang sagot is none of the above. So wala sa A, wala sa B, wala sa C. So para sa atin, assignment natin to. Ano ba talaga yun? No? Ano yung blank and blank na to? Ulitin ko yung tanong. Each family dwelling, i-read ko na lang. No? So sa mga magre-review, yun, kung alam niyo po yung sagot, paki-comment na lang yung sagot. Pero sa choices, ang sagot is none of the above. But here, what is the answer? Ano po ba talaga yung sagot dito? Ano yung sagot dito? Ulitin ko yung tanong. Each family dwelling unit on premises abutting on a sewer or with a private sewage disposal system shall have at least blank and blank. Further, a lavatory, bathtub, or shower shall be installed to meet the basic requirements of sanitation and personal hygiene. 310. 310. Yan, 310. The drainage system shall be designed, constructed, and maintained to blank against fouling, deposit of solids, clogging, and with adequate cleanouts so arranged that the pipes may be readily cleaned. The answer is safeguard. Hindi ito sabon, no? Hindi safeguard na sabon. Parang ibig sabihin, ma-protectional. The drainage system shall be designed, constructed, and maintained to safeguard against fouling, deposits of solid, clogging, and with adequate cleanout so arranged that the pipes may be readily cleaned. The answer is safeguard. Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy. Yun, sa mga, kung meron ditong nakarating man sa inyo to, civil engineers, sa mga civil engineers residing or working in Caloocan City, I invited you to join to this group, Civil Engineers of Caloocan City. Now we are 23 members. Pero I need to validate their active sa PICE para maka-establish tayo ng PICE Caloocan City Chapter. So we need 23 members active in PICE. So ito po yung Facebook name niya, Civil Engineers of Caloocan City, and then this is the link kung hindi niya po mahanap, no? Ako po yung admin dyan, and some members are office mates and friends, no? Yan po yun. So I wish na sooner or later mag-establish tayo. Sana nga before the National Convention this November. 311. All pipings of plumbing system shall be blank, NAMPAP-approved materials, free from defective workmanship, designed and constructed by a registered master plumber to ensure satisfactorily service. The answer is durable. All piping of plumbing systems shall be of durable, NAMPAP-approved materials, free from defective workmanship, designed and constructed by registered master plumbers to ensure satisfactorily service. 312. Each fixtures directly connected to the drainage system shall be equipped with watered silt trap? The answer is watered silt trap. Each fixture directly connected to the drainage system shall be equipped with a watered silt trap. The answer is water silt trap. 312, 13. Blank shall be designed to provide adequate circulation of air free from siphonage, aspiration for forcing of trap seals under ordinary use. The answer is drainage piping system. Ayan. Drainage piping system shall be designed to provide adequate circulation of air free from siphonage, aspiration for forcing of trap seals under ordinary use. 314. Blank shall extend to the outer air and installed to preempt clogging and the return of foul to the building. The answer is vent terminals. Yan. Vent terminals shall extend to the outer air and installed to preempt clogging and the return of foul air to the building. 315. Plumbing system shall be subjected to such tests to blank disclose all leaks and defects in the workmanship. The answer is effectively. Good. Plumbing system shall be subjected to such tests to effectively disclose all leaks and defects in the workmanship. 316. Kahit nakikita na, hindi ko muna sasabihin para sa nagre-review. Halimbawa, nakikinig tayo ng review. Suspense din tayo. Blank which will clog the pipes, produce explosive mixtures, destroy the pipes or their joints, or interfere unduly with sewage disposal process shall be allowed to enter the building drainage system. Answer is no substance. No substance which will clog the pipes, produce explosive mixtures, destroy the pipes or their joints, or interfere unduly with the sewage disposal process shall be allowed to enter to the building drainage system. 317. Mabilis tayo. No water closet. No blank shall be located in a room or compartment which is not properly lighted and ventilated. Answer is water closet. No water closet shall be located in a room or compartment which is not properly lighted and ventilated. 318. Proper blank shall be provided to prevent contamination of food, water, sterile goods and similar materials. May backflow of sewage. When necessary, the picture device or appliance shall be connected indirectly with the building drainage system. Answer is proper protection. Okay, proper protection shall be provided to prevent contamination of food, water, sterile goods, and sterilized goods, and similar materials by backflow of sewage. When necessary, the picture device or appliance shall be connected with building drainage system. Nawala. Yun, bumalik na. 319. Yun. Nako, nawala naman. Pero basahin muna natin bago natin ilagay. Huh? Yan. Water closet or other plumbing fixtures are installed in building where there is no sewer within a reasonable distance. Blank shall be made for disposing of the building sewage by some accepted method of sewage treatment and disposal, such as blank. Yan, the answer is suitable and accept. Dalawang blank kasi yung sagot. Daming codes kasi to, so yung mga ganito talagang tanong. Yan. Water closet or other plumbing fixtures are installed in building where there is no sewer within a reasonable distance. Suitable provision shall be made for disposing of the building sewage by some accepted method of sewage treatment and disposal, such as septic tank. So the answer is suitable provision and septic tank. 320. Where a plumbing drainage system may be subject to backflow of sewage, provision shall be made to blank its overflow in the building. The answer is prevent. Where there are plumbing drainage system may be. And where a plumbing drainage system may be subject to backflow of sewage, suitable provision shall be made to prevent its overflow in the building. The answer is prevent. Yan, bago natin tapusin yung last 5 question. Commercial ulit tayo. Commercial. 321. Yan, I encourage you to subscribe in this MCGI channel in YouTube for the best principles in economics. MCGI channel. And yan, para for hotel booking and reservation nationwide, Red Doors and Hotel and Affiliates, you can call me to this number, Messenger and Facebook account. So yan, nationwide reservation po yan. Maraming mga branch yan nationwide. So for hotel bookings and reservation, Red Doors, Suns Hotels and Affiliates. 321. All plumbing fixtures shall be blank to be accessible for their intended use. The answer is properly installed. All plumbing fixtures shall be properly installed to be accessible for their intended use. 322. Yun, marami naman itong problema. Hindi naman natin ito naayos. Plumbing shall be installed by registered master plumber with due regard to the blank of the strength of structural members and the blank of damage to the walls and other surface through fixture usage. So the answer is preservation and prevention. Dalawang choices kasi, preservation / prevention. Dalawang blank yun. Yan. Isin natin. Dapat kasi ganyan talaga yan. Sorry. Hindi ko na-check bago tayo nag-live. Plumbing shall be installed by registered master plumbers with due regard to the preservation of the strength of structural members and the prevention of damage to walls and other surface through fixture usage. 323. Ayan, tsaka to. Yan. Sewage or other waste from plumbing system which may be blank to surface or subsurface water shall not be discharged into the ground or into any waterway unless first rendered blank through subjection to some acceptable form of treatment. The answer is deleterious and innocuous. Excuse me. Sewage or other waste from a plumbing system, which may be deleterious to surface or subsurface waters, shall not be discharged into the ground or into any waterway unless first rendered innocuous through subjection to some acceptable form of treatment. Medyo double check natin yung next question. Bakit rendered unless first innocuous through subjection? Tingnan muna natin, no? Bago tayo. Hindi kasi siya tama sa paragraph. So yan, pa-check na lang. Ayun, sagot tama naman, deleterious and innocuous. So yan, 324. A registered master plumber shall maintain a blank consistent with an honorable, dignified pursuit of his or her profession. The answer is professional bearing. A registered master plumber shall maintain a professional bearing consistent with an honorable and dignified pursuit of his or her profession. And last question for today, for tonight. Yun. 325. Okay, ka na. Bakit ka na? Shall not act in blank any remuneration other than his or her original charges except for additional service not covered in the basic contract. The answer is unprofessional manner and demand. Shall not act in an unprofessional manner and demand any remuneration other than his or her original charges except for an additional service not covered in the basic contract. So, yan. So, hanggang dyan lang po muna yung ating review. Yan. For today, and we look forwards in the next few days. Tutuloy natin yung part 3 ng plumbing code from 326 to 350. Yan. For engineering and architectural design and consultancy, you can call us. Pwede rin kayong mag-comment dito, no? And there are architects in interiors, design and consultancy. And for comments, suggestions, and corrections, you can comment in the comment section. You can email at notsotech@gmail.com or Facebook account at notsotech, or you can text or call to this number. Encourage you to also subscribe to this channel, Joanna's Adventure and BRICE. Yun. And hanggang sa muli, hanggang dyan muna mo tayo. And thank you very much sa pakikinig and good day to all. Hopefully, makapasa po lahat ng nag-review or nakikinig dito. Thank you very much.